Hey, if you do any kind of traveling and you want to save space in your bags and you also want to protect your clothing, you can use something like this. This is a travel vacuum seal bag system. So when you think of vacuum seal bags for clothing, you don't think of something like this. The ones that I've seen in the past are like a clear bag, but they have like a Ziploc seal on the top. These are actually like a real garment bag, okay? And they've got a zipper right here. You got a little clear area here, but you're getting two of these. But the big question that I had when I got this was, how the heck is this gonna seal up with a zipper, okay? Here's the little pump. You just double press this to turn it on, and it's gonna kick on. So once you get your clothing in there, all you're gonna do is pull down on this zipper, okay? So the big question is, as we suck the air out of here, is this zipper gonna leak, right? Is it gonna be airtight? And it's gonna begin to take the air out of there. It kind of holds itself, you see on there? So if I want to take it off, I can. Just gonna set it on there. So it's got a check valve on there, so you just pull it off. Then we can put this little valve cover down there. Okay, so it has taken the air out of the bag and kind of compressed everything down nicely. Wow. That was really airtight. Did you hear all the air come out of there? So if you do any kind of traveling and you just want to save a little bit of space, keep everything a little bit more organized and protect your clothes, take the air out of there, definitely pick up this 2-pack. They did a really good job with this. So that is my quick review, and thanks for watching.